Oh, what is it you need, sir? Oh, the shocks, yeah. Yeah, the 412s or 412 shocks. Yeah, can you hear me? Are they 412s or 440s or 430s? No, not heard of those. Well, they are the cheapest they make, you know, they're not the best, the 412s. Is that definitely what you want? They're like the cheapest shocks they make. Yeah, they're steel bodies. A lot of the other ones are aluminium bodies, so obviously it's better cooling and stronger. They're just like sheet metal folded around on the 412s. See you later. Yeah. Yeah. Some are, yeah, some are, some aren't. Yeah, yeah. It depends on the bike, yeah. Oh, okay.